Hariom, my name is Aditi Veera Shahu and I am from Goregaon East Gogtewadi Upasana Kendra. The Anubhav which I am going to be sharing today is of the month of January 2019 when I was 7 months pregnant, and till then everything was going fine by the grace of Dad, and suddenly one fine day I found that my left part of the head and the left part of my ear was really aching a lot. And since I was pregnant, I tried to avoid it and not take any medications for it. But by the end of the day I realized that the pain had become very severe and there was some discomfort in the left part of my face, as in the moment of my eyebrows and the lips of the left side was not good enough like the right hand side. So that was like a red flag for me, and I decided to call my gynac and also contact Suchit Dada to tell him the situation. So we did that, and my gynac told me to consult an ENT specialist because it is not a normal thing to have discomfort and lack of movement in your face. And by the time we could go to the doctor, there was such a thing that I could not move the left part of my face at all, as in the left part of my eyebrows and the lips were not at all moving. I could not even completely smile. So we went to the doctor and he diagnosed it as facial paralysis. And anybody knows that facial paralysis, something in pregnancy, is a very scary thing to listen to also. So always Bapu gives us the strength to face such situations. So the doctor told us, I was calm enough during that time also. The doctor told us that for facial paralysis to get healed, it takes around 3 to 6 months with a high dosage of steroids. And steroids as such are very unhealthy when you take in pregnancy. So we were in a very big question mark how to take such heavy medications. So what he suggested us at that point of time is that we should take only 10 milligrams of medicine instead of 100 milligrams, and let us see how it reacts to my body and how it heals. So that time we said okay, and we immediately went to Suchit Dada. And there Suchit Dada told us that bindas ghe aushada kai nahi honar. And that was like, if Dada is telling us, then we can do it. So I took the medications, but the doctor had told me that it will take at least 3 months to heal. And in 3 months, rather in 2 months, I had my delivery. So during that time, I also had my maternity photo shoot scheduled for in 15 days of time. So I was like talking to Dad and telling him, "Arey, I want to do this photo shoot. What all is this mess happening with me?" And I was like, "Okay, it is Nath Samvid, and you will take care of it, I'm sure." So I started taking the medications, and I also was taking physiotherapy along with it. So the physiotherapist told me, "Acha, we'll see in a month's time or at least 2 months it'll be okay." And I was like, no, I have to do my photo shoot. I am not going to be pregnant again very soon, so I need to do it now. So she was like, okay. And we started off with the medications, the physiotherapy, and in 8 days, it was miraculously almost normal, my face. And the facial paralysis was almost gone. And in 15 days of time, it just went off. It just went away. And that too only in 10 milligrams of medicine rather than 100 milligrams which people take and get healed in 6 months. I got healed in 10 milligrams in just 15 days. It was only and only Dad's grace and Dada's words that we believed in and went ahead, and he took care of everything. And later on I delivered my child also. I had a daughter. She was healthy, no problems, absolutely normal, and everything was nice. After the delivery, what happened is I developed a lump in my right breast, and we realized the gynac realized that the lump was not very normal, as in during breastfeeding there are certain cases of lump development in the breast, but this seemed to be a little odd for them. So they decided to go for a sonography, but after the sonography also they were not able to exactly diagnose what that is. So what they told us is that we should go to a better specialist. So we contacted Suchit Dada, and he sent us to a specialist for this case. And we went to that doctor. She also took some specimen from the lump and sent it for biopsy. Now, when you come to a conclusion of a biopsy, everybody knows that it is a sign of a cancer. So we were like very scared. My daughter was not even 15 days old, and this thing had come up, and I was like shattered. What am I supposed to do? And the doctor told me that what we'll do is let the biopsy report come, and then we'll do a mammography as well. So for 7 days, the reports would come after 7 days, and we'll see later on what is to be done. So I went home and I was very tense because my daughter was very small, and I was talking to dad and telling him कि I just had my daughter and I really want to spend time with her, take care of her, and what is all this happening? I don't want to go through all this. You have told me that you do Sola Mala and everything is going to be sorted. So that is what I did. I started chanting Sola Mala every day, and after 7 days the doctor had called us. So we went to the doctor, and when she checked that lump had become only 1/4 of its size. As in, it was like a 2 centimeter lump. Now it had become 1/4 of its size without any medication and without anything. And the doctor was like, "Ari, where is that lump gone now? It is vanished or what?" And I was like very happy. I told him that anything can happen in my dad's world. So that is how it went away. She told me no need of mammography. The biopsy report came, it said that the specimen was not enough. You have to redo the test. She said, forget all that, you're absolutely fine. Just take this normal medicine and it will be gone. So that is how it just went away. So my life completely is in dad's hands. It is so safe. He's like my safe house where I'm nurtured, taken care of, and loved all the time. So I really want to say अंबज्ञ, and from the bottom of my heart की अनिरुद्धा तुझा मी किती ऋणी झालो, अनिरुद्धा तुझा मी किती ऋणी झालो. हरिओम श्रीराम अंबज्ञ.